Understanding control measures in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, control measures. This term is often found in various contexts, from health to business, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English comprehension. Let's dive in and discover its meanings and uses. Control measures is a compound noun, which means it's made up of two words that combine to create a specific meaning. Let's look at each word separately. 1. Control. This word refers to the power to influence or direct people's behavior or the course of events. 2. Measures. These are actions taken or plans made to achieve a particular goal. When combined, control measures refers to the actions or steps taken to manage, regulate, or influence a situation or process. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Here are some common contexts. 1. Health and safety refers to procedures or guidelines put in place to prevent accidents or the spread of diseases. For example, the hospital introduced new control measures to limit the spread of the virus. 2. Business and management involves strategies or policies to regulate operations and ensure efficiency. For instance, the company implemented strict financial control measures to reduce expenses. 3. Environmental protection. Actions or policies aimed at preserving the environment. Like, new control measures were adopted to reduce pollution in the river. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some example sentences. 1. Following the outbreak, the government enforced strict control measures. 2. The school has put control measures in place to ensure student safety. 3. To control inflation, the central bank took several monetary control measures. And that's a wrap on control measures. We hope this video has been insightful and has helped you grasp the meaning and usage of this important phrase in English. Remember, understanding such terms enhances not just your vocabulary but also your comprehension of various real-world scenarios. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.